So let's define what the interwoven relationship or couple looks like. It's a couple who invites the Lord into their relationship through prayer. Write that on your notes. Or if you're single or a single parent, it's a single person or a single parent who invites the Lord into their relationships through prayer, whether through friends or church members. Now let's just talk about a fact here that I see as a pastor for a long time. There are many Christian couples and many Christian people who either have friendships with other Christians or a husband and wife. They're together, but they live totally separate spiritual lives. There's Bill over here, and he goes to church, and he serves in, the motel ministry, and he goes to his men's group that meets at Starbucks on Saturdays every morning, and he does his thing. And then there's the wife, and she goes to the Journey, and she goes to Word, and she does her Beth Moore Bible study, and she's over here with all her girlfriends, and they're over there. And yet, as a couple, they live completely separate spiritual lives. And it just, biblically, you got to scratch your head. Because the Bible says that the couple's relationship should be first, the other relationships should be next.